Hello, good day to all. Today we are going to prepare a Napolitan pudding. The ingredients that we are going to use are the following: refined sugar, condensed milk, a can of evaporated milk, 4 eggs, and manchego cheese. Let's start with the caramel. For the candy, I post amount of sugar because it depends on the mold who you utilize. What are going to do is begin to melt the sugar. You decide on the amount to be used in the mold of pudding, and then slit the mold for a pudding. The ideal is to have a mold to flan to pudding that I am here. There are special to make a pudding. Then we are going to need a mold of pudding, sugar, and a large spoon. I am going to sprinkle evenly covering the mold of pudding, covering perfectly, and I put to mold pudding in a high temperature, and in the begin to melt the sugar, we remove him from to the fire.
Más bien yo lo tengo como grande.
Now, let's start with the pudding. We will put in a blender a can of evaporated milk, then a can of condensed milk, the 4 eggs, and a cup of manchego cheese. You can also use another type of cheese and liquefy it. Now we are going to cook, and I have my mold of pudding with a candy ready. You should have a golden color. If the color is darker, will give a bitter taste. Let's pour the mix that we have in the blender in a mold of pudding. This mold. Okay, we cover the mold of pudding. We cover, and we took a pan with high walls or put with a low walls, and this put I have and having water, and put with low walls and having waters. This mode cooking will be a double boiler. The water shows the cover with the tier part of our pudding mold. If the water comes to up, the boiler over can enter and rinse our pudding. I put in the oven and take an hour to 1.5 to cook. We must constantly review if we see it and this stew. Can mount to a fry and threading and have our pudding.